Hey, to change wallpaper on the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite for 5G, first of all, you will have to just click and hold with your finger on the empty space in the home screen, just like this. And now you will have to go for wallpapers on the left bottom corner. And as you can see right here, we can actually find some static wallpapers. So for example, if you want to get this wallpaper, you can just tap it and click apply. But when you go back, you can go for the albums. So now you'll be redirected and you can set your photo as a wallpaper. Or for example, you can go for the workshop, and here we can create our own wallpapers. So we can take or select the photo and we can transform it into a unique wallpaper. So we can just click here, select our photo. Now click here. There we go. And the phone is actually going to create the wallpaper from our photo. It looks like this. There we go. So we can find here something that we can apply. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.